I already cut it open. I've been going nuts and ordering little trinkets from being in lockdown. Here we go. Alright, this is going to be a fun one. There we go. Do this one last. Alright, Uplula magazine loader. I'm watching YouTube videos on this one and I had to try it to save the thumbs. Let's see what we got here. This one does a lot. They also make a baby one for, not babies, but for smaller magazines. So let's see what we got here. Exactly. Alright, I went with green because it's either green or bright yellow. So, there's a lock, huh? How does that work? Oh, let's see how it works. Work now. Oh, okay. And down. Just take a minute, but oh wow. My thumbs are thanking me already. This thing is fantastic, actually. Alright. The videos were in line. There you go. That was 10. Uplula magazine loader. I think I paid $32.99 for this on Bass Pro Shop site. So let's move this over here and the bag. Oh, okay. This is on sale, so I picked up a small little bottle. Happy's number 9. I don't know if there's any. It's a little lower than it's about a half a bottle. I think it might have had a little evaporation to I don't know if you can see how much is missing out of there. It's a good half ounce. Alright. We're gonna see what the story is about that. Everybody that's watching this knows all about this. Oh. There you go. 1.5 ounce bottle. 1.5 ounce bottle. $3.99.